In this video.
What's he move? That's so cool. You want to hold him as well? He's super cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of course.
Everyone, and welcome to a new video.
Yay.
Today we are at
a wine farm.
Wine farm. And
Ooh.
it's beautiful.
You can see the wine farm or the vineyards. How do you call this? The vineyards.
The vineyard.
In the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're here for like a tour.
Yeah, we're gonna do a safari tour, and there's also a wine tasting included. So
Yeah.
I'm curious about that.
I keep looking at the wrong
It's okay.
screen. It's yeah,
It's
but
okay.
yeah, it looks really nice and peaceful over here.
Nice.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
We got some private tour.
All the water we use for irrigation, all these things. We don't spray any pesticides also in the but then we use ducks, king ducks. And they will walk around the vineyards and then they eat the slugs and the snails.
Okay. Oh, that's
So they kind of work for us.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
A lot together. So those are some of the antelopes you're going to see here today.
So how big is this farm?
220 hectares, so it's bigger than the wine area.
Yeah.
A good husband to his wives. And note I say wives plural. He's got 3 females to himself.
I always find them so fascinating.
So that is our national cricket team, mate, the Protea. It's like a toilet seat. It's painted on the backside.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Aww, cutie.
Oh, he's so cute. His eyes are like
His eyes.
almost 360. You can turn
Yeah, you
everywhere.
can.
He's looking
Yeah.
at you now. That's so cool. You want to hold him as well? He's super cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Only problem for them is they very much prey and predator. So that's why they need peripheral vision so that they can look for their food with one eye, keep an eye out for birds and snakes and things.
They all get along. Like they're together in like groups, but still.
Well, that's what's nice about
Yeah.
this sanctuary is
Yeah.
you can see 5 different species within a 50-meter radius. Zebras only weigh like 400, 300 kilos.
Wow.
They're talking about it.
Okay.
They rely on the animals for food, but the animals rely on them to keep them clean of parasites.
Yeah.
So it's a symbiotic relationship.
Oh, that's cool. They're so big.
Wow. But they haven't gotten lunch yet. Be careful of the male.
Yeah. Oh, he's taking a nice piss. Unfortunately, we don't. It's watching over, making sure nothing is happening.
Yeah.
No, he's just being a bit protective, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's good. It's his role. Right?
Yeah, it's his
to
territory. So
Yeah.
we just visited.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah.
We went from safari to wine tasting. Yeah, we started off with 2 white wines.
No, champagnes.
Oh, sorry. No.
Yeah, this is champagne. Both of them is champagne. Because this is a champagne
Yeah.
glass, you know? Yeah. Okay.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut that one. And the second one is
Really dry.
sweet and more for spicy food. So swirl it and to get the oxygen in. Now comes the censored part.
And now you?
Now it's gonna be my turn.
That's fine.
All right.
Are you swallowing it?
I've like.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's a bit felt like a little more neutral or something. I mean, it's not
Yeah. Yeah.
like a taste explosion or
No.
anything. It's very
Okay.
neutral.
It already smells completely
Oh, it
different.
smells completely different. I took too much to swallow. So, fortunately, we're driving our own car over here. So,
We've got the red wine. You can see me swirling in front of you. Okay.
the smell.
And what do you think? Quite like, I don't know the English word for that. I don't know how it's called. Yeah.
Yeah.
So far
So far, your English.
my English and my wine tasting experience.
No, it's. I think I can taste that this one is a little older. It's nice, but I'm still learning to drink red wine.
So
it's
you
always like, ooh, and then like, oh, okay. So I enjoy it, but I do like white wine more, to be honest.
no.
But I'm still learning, so maybe in a few years I'm like, oh yeah.
Yeah, as in all of the wines are good. Like yeah, they're all good wines.
We're such wine newbies.
Yeah. As in,
Yeah. Good story.
So, what do you think of it?
I had such an amazing day.
Yeah.
We had a full-on personalized
Wow.
private safari
It was
trip.
nice. It wasn't really a vlog today, but like
No, it was
really
more
nice.
like scene shots and
Yeah.
Daniel explaining the whole safari.
It was cool with all the
Yeah.
animals and
He made it so nice, like stopping at certain points and actually talk
Yeah.
about our interests and stories. And we were so lucky because there were no one else. Because
There was no
usually
one
you go in
else.
groups.
yeah, it was
It
fun.
was so cool.
Yeah.
It was very personalized and
It was nice.
I really
And
enjoyed
it was
it.
quite a long time that because it's almost 5 now.
Yeah.
And we arrived at 2. Yeah, it was
It
cool.
was such an amazing day.
So are we gonna drive back now? We're gonna make up plans for now.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably the
Yeah.
end of the video.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
I hope you liked it with the footage. You have
What?
any
Sorry.
last words?
Bye!
Bye!